This is part 2 of we're making shakshuka today, and now we let it simmer for 20 minutes, and now it is thicker.
Okay, you want nice and thick, so I'm ripping up some cilantro and sprinkling it on.
And now we're put in cilantro.
The fresh cilantro. About a quarter of a cup, give or take.
Now, what comes next? You gotta take your spoon and make a small indent in it to where we're gonna use eggs. 6 eggs, in fact. Yeah, so like a little form of a
like
little cup there.
A little cup, like a little nest.
Because
Sorry.
we're going to basically poach the egg.
Start with this. Egg number 1.
Yeah.
Did I do that wrong? I think it was right there.
Okay, now
Last egg.
put in the 6th egg.
And we cover it.
That's what it looks like.
And we cover it until the whites are nice and cooked.
Yeah.
The yolks are still a little runny.
Now, after we wait to get the eggs, just have that, the glossy color. Add some feta cheese.
Feta cheese. I'm just sprinkling some on. You add it however much you want. We love our cheese.
You can never have enough cheese.
Nope. And that's pretty much it. We like to eat it with flatbread. So.
Of course, you can have it with any kind of bread or anything you like. Even take a spoon and go to town on it.
Yeah, eat it as is, yeah.
But yeah, we use flatbread.
But that's it.
Yeah, and that's about it.
We hope you guys enjoy.
Enjoy, and believe me, it's good eats. Please subscribe and like the video, and we will return real soon.